Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Sisidammie. How are you guys doing? So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to sieve your pap properly. Most of you have been doing it the wrong way, and I received a lot of messages from you and even comments in the comment section that when you sieve your pap, you get more chaff than the exact pap. So in this video I'm going to be showing you in detail how to sieve your pap and get the best from it. So guys, you want to make sure you watch this video to the end so you can get the full details. This is what the pap looks like after grinding it. So yeah, I'm trying to mix it together. You know, when it is grinded they put water on it, so I'm trying to mix the water and the thick texture under together. So now I am going to transfer it into a big bowl. Then I'm going to add water on it so that it can be watery. You can see that this one is thick, so I'm going to add water on it to give it a lighter texture. As you can see in the video, I have added water on it. Now I am going to use my hand to mix it very well until it is watery and everything is well combined. So guys, if you want the full recipe of this pap, let me know in the comment section, and also please turn on your notification bell so that when I upload it you will be notified. Now that I have added water to it, I will proceed to sieve it. I'm using this chiffon material. You can get it in any tailoring shop around you. Just tell them you want to get a chiffon material. So I'm going to be using this material to sieve it. Now you just pour it gradually into the chiffon material and squeeze it. That is the sieving process. The sieving process stage 1. There is more to come.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
As you can see in the video, the shaft is looking dry, as if all the pap has been extracted from it. But then that is not all for me. I am going to add water on it, then mix it together and sieve it the second time.
a game, it's a rich thing.
This is the shaft after sieving it the second time. As you can see, it is very dry, like I can feel there is no pap inside. Now I am going to leave the pap to settle for about 6 hours, or you can leave it overnight. So now I am going to cover it and allow it to settle so that the water can separate from the pap. After leaving it for a while, the pap has separated from the water. Now I am going to discard the water on it gently. Can you see that? That is the main thing. That is the main pap that we need. So now I am going to transfer the pap into this muslin bag. So this one, you can get it in any local market around you. So I'm going to transfer the pap inside so that the water can further separate from the pap. You can leave it like this, but I want mine to be dry.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Tight it and allow it to rest for 6 hours or overnight. And yes, this is the outcome of the pap. Can you see this? Guys, I kid you not, this pap is very nutritious. So guys, go ahead to keep it in your freezer. You can store it anyhow you want to store it. For me, I put some of it in my Ziploc bag and I kept it in my freezer. So guys, thank you so much for watching.